Can trading really make you rich? Or is it just another Wall Street fantasy? What if I told you the truth is hiding in plain sight and it's not what you think? Welcome to TradeSmart USA, the channel where we decode the money game. Today, we're tackling the million-dollar question. Can trading make you rich in 2025? And we're not pulling punches. You've seen the TikToks, Lambos, beach laptops, $10K days. But here's the truth. 90% of traders lose money. Why? Because they chase hype, not strategy. Trading isn't a shortcut, it's a skill. Real wealth in trading comes from discipline, risk management, and understanding market psychology. The top 1% don't trade every day, they wait for setups. They treat trading like a business, not a casino. The US market offers unmatched liquidity, data access, and volatility, but it also punishes the unprepared. Want to win? Learn the rules, master the charts, and stay emotionally detached. Use platforms like Thinkorswim or TradingView. Follow economic calendars, backtest your strategy, and never risk more than 2% of your capital on a single trade. If you're serious about trading, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We drop weekly strategies that actually work. No fluff, no hype. Trading can make you rich, but only if you treat it like a craft. Stay sharp, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.